DUIs are extremely common. Anyone can get a DUI. I've seen people that are doctors get DUIs. I've seen school teachers. I've seen anyone that you can think of get a DUI. If you get arrested for a DUI, it does not mean that you'll be convicted automatically. Sometimes DUIs can be reduced based on mistakes that are made by officers, mistakes that are made by people who test the blood. Potential consequences of conviction of a DUI: if a person has a .08 or above, usually they're sentenced to 10 days jail with 9 days suspended as long as they've completed counseling. If a person has a DUI that's above a .15 but below a .20, then that person has to do 30 days jail. If a person has a DUI of .20 or more, then they have to complete 45 days of jail. But there are ways that we can work with the state and the prosecutor to reduce that jail time, where some folks, even if they have extreme or super extreme DUIs, only have to serve a few days in jail. There are lots of different defenses for DUI. A person who is not driving or in actual physical control of a vehicle, or the state cannot prove that's a defense for a DUI. There may be errors in the testing of the blood. That would be a defense for a DUI. There are also constitutional issues that sometimes arise where a police officer may violate someone's rights. Usually when someone comes in for a DUI for a consultation, what we do is we ask for a hearing with the MVD as well. There are two parties that are involved in a person's DUI. One is the state or the court, where the prosecutor is charging someone with a DUI and they have to go to court. The other entity is the motor vehicle division. And what happens is we make sure that we set up a hearing with the motor vehicle division and attempt to fight the license suspension as well. And we have been successful at retaining someone's license. A person can obtain a work-only license, and what we call that is a restricted license, where a person can drive a vehicle to and from work, school, doctor's appointments, counseling, etc. We should be hired to handle your DUI case because we will look at your situation individually. We will leave no stone unturned. We will look at every aspect of your DUI to see whether or not we are able to fight your DUI or reduce the charges. Our law firm has handled thousands of DUI cases. Between the three of us, we have handled DUIs from every court, from Gilbert to Phoenix to Maricopa County. We offer free consultations for DUI cases. What we want to do is make sure that when a client comes to speak with us for a DUI, that they feel us out, that they're comfortable. We can give them some defenses that are particular to their case and how we feel that the outcome of their case may come. And what we like to do is meet with them, have them be comfortable with us, and see if they would like to hire us to represent them.